Hello, welcome to another episode of a lot of how-tos and reviews. Today we got a really nice item for y'all. This is Eurcos tripod and selfie stick all in one. It's super cool. It works for iPhones, Samsungs, Galaxies. It works for GoPros, so many other things. You can put your camera on it. That's two attachments. It's so cool. It's a tripod and a selfie stick. It goes up to 62 inches. If you are interested, it is linked in the description below. Go ahead and click that link in the description below. This is a setup. Open up for you guys, show you what it is. It also has a remote control, so you can take pictures and videos with the remote control. Super cool. It's under $25. Already comes with batteries and all that. This is the adjustables that you could use for, I think that's for the GoPro. This one's for your phone. Put your phone in there. It expands. I have an iPhone 14, which is a pretty big phone with a case, and it still fits. And it goes even further than that. Doesn't go as big as an iPad, but I feel like that's overkill anyway. But it's really cool. Here's the instructions on here. It shows you how to open it. You need to be careful because it could be a little tricky to open. You need to turn that orange ring to the right and then unfold the legs and pull them out. And then when you put it back, just push the legs back in. It is very sturdy and very durable. I got really good shots on moving and staying still. At the end of the video, I will show you some videos of me snowboarding while using the selfie stick. I really have no complaints. Really good investment, I feel. It does go up to 5 feet and 2 inches, 62 inches altogether. It's less than $25. Yeah, I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I think you should get it if you want it. You could get the link in the bio. There's a 5% coupon running right now. And I'll have more videos, so please subscribe if you want to see more cool items that I post. Thank you.